Drymiau a chroeso I fideo drymio rhif 3. So hello and welcome to the third drumming video. So mor belled ni wedi mynd dros 4 nodyn mewn bar. Ni wedi mynd dros 8 nodyn mewn bar. A'r cam nesaf yw dysgu beth yw fill, a na I glir o'r theori tu ôl I fe. A wedyn chwarter bar fill, sydd fel y cam gynta mewn I chwarae fills. So what we've learned so far is we've gone over 4 notes in a bar. We've gone over our classic rock groove, which is 8 notes in a bar. And the next step is to learn about what a fill is, and I'll explain the theory behind it. And then the first step we're going to take into doing a fill is a quarter bar fill. So, beth yw fill? Mae fill nid yr enw nawr, mae'n nid dyn o'r enw fill yw hyn, fel fill fel llenwi. Llenwad, ddim yn siŵr. A beth yw e, yw toriad bach i'r grŵf arferol, sort of darn sydd yn cysylltu fel penawd a chorus. A beth yw e, mae fe'n trio cynnal sylw y grandawyr. Cadw nhw gyda'r can rhwng bolchau. So what is a fill? We're talking about fill as in to fill something in. We're not talking about fill with PH as in a man. And what a fill is a break in the groove where you add something in, it's usually doubled in speed, and it's used to keep the listeners sort of intrigued, to keep them part of the song rather than sort of to fade out in what would usually be a bit of a lull in between sort of a chorus and a part of the song. So fel nes dwi, maen nhw fel arfer yn cyflymu, so they usually speed up for the fill, a dyna be maen nhw'n fel arfer yn defnyddio I llenwi'r bolcha, yw y newid mewn cyflymder. So what they usually use to fill the gaps is suddenly a change or an increase of speed to draw you back in, ready for the next part of the song. So mae'n tynnu chi nôl mewn am y darn nesaf o'r cam. So be ni'n mynd I wneud dechrau, dysgu chwarter bar fill. So maen nhw yn dod mewn chwarter bar, hanner bar, neu bar llawn. So first we're going to go over, like I said, a quarter bar fill. But they also do come in half bars, and you can get a full bar fill. So, enghraifft, for example, a whole bar fill, bar llawn, fill bar llawn, y pryd chi'n gweld is when you see the drummer, he suddenly goes around the kit. So pryd mae'r drummer yn newid ac yn mynd o gwmpas y kit, maen nhw'n newid o wneud groove arferol. So they change from doing sort of this standard groove. Suddenly maen nhw'n mynd 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So fyna, mae gyda ni 16 nodyn. So there we had 16 notes, 4 on the snare and the other 3 toms. Ond mae hwnna'n cael ei chwarae dros yr un pryd ar 8 nodyn. So that gets played over the same amount of time as the 8-note groove. So as you're saying, you go from 8 to 16, which is doubling it, and like you said, changing the groove to keep people involved. So mae'n newid y cyflymder o 8 I 16 nodyn mewn yr un pryd o amser, a mae cynnydd yn cyflymder yn helpu pobl I cadw fel bran o'r can, cario mlaen gwrando. A fel yn dweud, llenwi'r bolcha. So, beth yw chwarter bar fill ni'n mynd I dysgu? So, what is the quarter bar fill we're going to learn? A gyd yw all is, yw, ar y 2 nodyn olaf, on the last 2 notes, ni ddim yn chwarae 2 nodyn nawr, ni'n trio chwarae 4. So, on the last 2 notes of the bar, we're going to go from playing 2 notes on the 4 and, to now we're going to play 4 notes. So, it's going to be 4 and. This sort of thing. So ni'n mynd o wneud 4 nodyn, 2 nodyn ar diwedd I nawr chwarae 4 nodyn. So, na I ychwanegu fideo I hyn, cos angen symud y camera, a na I dangos chi gyda dwylo fi. Felly, sut I chwarae y fill a roi e mewn i'r bar? Right, so how to play the fill and put it into the bar. So, beth oedd gyda ni wythnos diwetha? Oedd 1 a 2 a 3 a 4 a. A beth sydd yn newid nawr yw ni'n mynd I wneud 1 a 2 a 3 a 4 a. Oh no, that's all. So now what changes is we're going to play, instead of just the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, we're now going to double the last 2 to be 4 notes instead of 2. and it's played like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and fanna. A dyna sut ni'n chwarae fe. So dechrau fe'n araf bach, so always start it slowly. Efallai I ymarfer, just ymarfer hynna. To start with, maybe just practice that. Na fe, a wedyn chi'n mynd 1 a 2 a 3 a 1 a 2 a 3 a 1 a 2 a 3 a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1. Fanna. So fel nes dweud, just 4 ar y diwedd, like I said, just 4 at the end instead of 2. A just dechrau'n araf, cyflymu fe lan, so start slowly and build it up. A efallai just ymarfer, and maybe just practice to begin with. Gadewch ni wybod, cos os chi'n mwynhau hyn, gallwn ni efallai trio trefnu rhyw fath o gwersi ni byddwn ni'n trafod drosto fe, gall dangos chi sut chi wedi bod yn neud mor belled, a beth fydd y camau nesaf. So, diolch yn fawr, a mwynhewch.